In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion job search tracker. If you're applying to multiple jobs at once, it's very easy to lose track of deadlines, links, application statuses, and follow-ups. A simple tracker in Notion can help you stay organized, reduce stress, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a clean and practical system you can keep updating throughout your job search. Start by creating a new page in Notion that will serve as your job search tracker. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find later. This page will become your main hub for everything related to your applications, so it helps to keep it simple and focused. Next, add a database for your job applications. A table view usually works best because it lets you scan important details quickly, but the key idea is to create one central place where every application can be stored and updated. Think of each row as one job opportunity. Once the database is in place, add the properties you'll need to track each application. Include fields for the company name, the role or position, the job link, the current status, the deadline, and any notes. These details give you a complete snapshot of each opportunity. The job link makes it easy to revisit the original posting, while the notes section is useful for things like salary ranges, recruiter details, or reminders about next steps. After that, create your status options. A simple workflow might include saved, applied, interview, offer, and rejected. These labels make it much easier to see where each application stands at a glance. Keep the wording consistent so your tracker stays easy to read and filter over time. For each job entry, add supporting materials such as your resume, cover letter, and interview notes. This is especially helpful if you tailor your application documents for different roles. Keeping those files and notes attached to each job means you won't have to search through folders or emails later, especially when you're preparing for an interview. As you move through your job search, make it a habit to update the tracker whenever you apply or receive a response. This step is what makes the system truly useful. Even a great tracker won't help if it isn't current, so try to update it right away while the information is fresh. Finally, review your tracker regularly so you don't miss important follow-ups. A quick check every few days can help you spot deadlines, prepare for interviews, and decide when it's time to send a follow-up message. With a simple routine and a well-organized Notion page, your job search becomes much easier to manage.